Welcome to knowledge clip number 7, the introduction of a scientific article. As mentioned in knowledge clip number 6, the first chapter of a scientific article after the abstract is the introduction. And the introduction follows a standard structure as well. You should be able to find information on the context of a topic. For instance, if the topic is stroke, then you expect information to find around stroke. How many people suffer from a stroke each year? What's the prevalence? What's the incidence? What do we know from other research? So what does the literature say? Is there information about, for instance, treatments for stroke patients or risk factors related to stroke? So what do we already know? From there, it should be logical what information is lacking. So what don't we know? Are there certain treatments we haven't been investigated or we haven't investigated yet? And why is it relevant to investigate that knowledge gap? And for whom? Only for the stroke patient, also for the informal caregivers, for researchers, medical professionals, policymakers, and in what way? From that, it should be logical that there is a certain problem statement. And the problem statement focuses on that knowledge gap. You already formulated a problem statement for your own research. So the phrases should be familiar for you. For instance, to date it is unknown how many people suffer from a stroke each year in the Netherlands. Or there's no insight yet in the effectiveness of a very specific treatment or intervention for stroke patients. From that problem statement, only one question should remain, and that's the research question. The research question must focus on that knowledge gap in order to generate knowledge what is currently missing. So therefore it should generate new knowledge, new insights, and it is more specific and more detailed than a problem statement. So based on this very short knowledge clip, it is important for you to understand that the introduction follows a logical structure as well, that you're able to find information in the introduction, and again that you don't need to read every single word of the introduction in order to get the information you want. Good luck!